Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, as you've probably read from the title, we are going to be attempting to make some melting moments together. For any of you who have been lucky enough to experience my mum's cooking, you will know that she is incredible. And one of the many things that she does is melting moments. Before I even start, I already know that mine are going to turn out nothing like hers, but I definitely think it's worth a try. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop you down so you can watch, and then I'll touch base with you once I've finished. So that's the melting moments done, and if you saw the first time I rolled them out, they were very small. I would recommend doing them a little bit bigger than that. So the one that I showed you at the end was about double the size, because after the first batch came out, they were just a little bit too small. So I just doubled the size, and that made them pretty much perfect. So they're obviously nowhere near as good as Mum's, but not too bad, I think. If you've tried them and you have any tips, then please send them through. And if you enjoy this style of video, then please let me know by liking. And if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.